So here we have las verduras, the vegetables. So for the first one, it says el broccoli. El broccoli is the broccoli. Next is la zanahoria. La zanahoria is the carrot. Next is la lechuga. La lechuga is the lettuce. Next is el maíz. El maíz is the corn. Next is el apio. El apio is the celery. Next is la cebolla. La cebolla is the onion. Next is el pepino. El pepino is the cucumber. Next is el tomate. El tomate is the tomato. And next is el pimiento. That is the pine. Here we have la naturaleza. La naturaleza is nature. So for example, the first one says el pájaro. El pájaro is the bird. Next is la hormiga. La hormiga is the ant. Next is la flor. La flor is the flower. Next is el árbol. El árbol is the tree. Next is la ardilla. La ardilla is the squirrel. Next is la abeja. La abeja is the bee. Next is la rana. La rana is the frog. Next is la mariposa. La mariposa is the butterfly. Next is el gusano. El gusano is the worm. Here we have la fruta. La fruta is the fruit. First is la manzana. La manzana is the apple. Next is el plátano or los plátanos. El plátano is singular, so it's only one, which is banana, or los plátanos, plural, which is multiple bananas. Next is la cereza or las cerezas, which is cherry or cherries. Next is la uva or las uvas. Uva or uvas are grape or grapes. Next is la piña. La piña is pineapple. Next is la pera. La pera is the pear. Next is la naranja. La naranja is the orange. Next is la fresa or las fresas, which is the strawberry or the strawberries. And next is el limón. El limón is the lemon. Here we have las verduras. Las verduras are the vegetables. El apio. El apio is celery. Next is el broccoli. El broccoli is broccoli. Next is el maíz. El maíz is corn. Next is el pepino. El pepino is cucumber. Next is el pimiento. El pimiento is pepper. Next is el tomate. El tomate is tomato. Next is la cebolla. La cebolla is onion. Next is la lechuga. La lechuga is lettuce. Next is la zanahoria. La zanahoria is carrots. Next is la naturaleza. La naturaleza, nature. So the first one is la hormiga. La hormiga is ant. Next is la abeja. La abeja is bee. Next is el pájaro. El pájaro is bird. Next is la mariposa. La mariposa is butterfly. Next is la flor. La flor is flower. Next is la rana. La rana is frog. Next is la ardilla. La ardilla is squirrel. Next is el árbol. El árbol is tree. And the last one, el gusano. El gusano is a worm. Here we have la fruta. La fruta is the fruit. The first one says el limón. El limón is lemon. Lemon. El plátano. El plátano is banana. Next is la cereza. La cereza are cherries. Next is la fresa. Fresa is strawberry. Next is manzana. Manzana is apple. Next is naranja. Naranja is orange. Next is la pera. La pera is pear. Next is la pina. La pina is pine. And the last one, la uva or las uvas are grapes.